I will show you how to set up Shadcn UI with Next.js. To get started, go to this link here and copy this command. Open your code editor of choice. I will be using VS Code, and I'll just paste in the command inside the terminal. Hit enter. Name the project whatever you would like. I would just do a period so that it creates the project in my current directory. For the style, select either option. I would do New York. Select the color you want. I will select neutral. I will select no for CSS variables. Your project should now be initialized. Going back to the documentation, copy this command to add the button component. Run the command inside terminal. Going back to the docs, copy this first line here. Open pages.tsx. Replace the first line with the code that we just copied. Copy this line of code from the docs, and then replace everything that you see here. In the terminal, type in npm run dev. Once it's ready, open localhost 3000. If you see this, that means everything worked correctly, and you can now start installing other Shadcn UI components. That is the end of this tutorial. Hopefully you found it helpful. If you did, please like the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more content.